Before I prep the electrode marks on the scalp, I want to show you the proper amount of gel that should be dispensed for a whole head setup, and about how much should be used on the Q-tip to prep one mark. Okay, this is about all that is needed. It is about 1 to 2 centimeters in diameter. So if you look, that's about all the prep you need. It's not very much, okay? Each time a scalp mark is prepped, lightly dip the Q-tip into the gel prep, taking about this much right here. So you just lightly dip it in like that. And just you have just a little bit on the edge. See that? You don't need very much. Okay, to prep the area inside the mark, separate the hair. And lightly stroke the scalp in a downward direction only, not back and forth, for about 5 to 10 seconds. So I'm just going to go do downward strokes like that for about 5 to 10 seconds. Prep a circular area of about 1 centimeter in diameter. That's about a centimeter in diameter right there. Be careful. Okay, prep right in the middle of the cross marks, and be careful not to erase the edges. So the edges are here, right? Here's the edge here of that cross mark here, and here, and here. Be careful not to erase the edges. So you want to do a circular area of about 1 centimeter in diameter right there. And note that the surface of the skin does not have excess gel prep on it. So notice that it's kind of dry. So I used just enough to spread the prep out amongst the area that I prepped. Okay, so if too much gel prep is applied, and let's say I used this much. See all that in there, or on the Q-tip. Now let's say I prep this one. Okay, so notice the excess gel, on the hair and on the scalp. So you don't want to use too much, okay? After prepping, you can see that the electrode, which is 9 millimeters in diameter, fits right over the prepped area. The edges of the cross mark are preserved, so the electrode can be centered quite accurately where the crosshair center used to be. So you can see I prepped out just enough area for about the size of the actual electrode. And you can see with the cross marks preserved, I can just fit that right down in the center when I put the paste in the cup and to paste the electrode onto the skin.